Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Make sure your device runs Android 7, 0 or newer, and that developer options plus USB debugging are enabled. Once done, connect via ADB and find the target app package name so you know what you will change. Next, check the app's current window behavior in settings or via the command line. That tells you whether a software change is needed. Don't skip this verification, because you'll apply targeted fixes only if the app is marked non-resizable. Now you make the change. Use ADB commands to override the manifest flag and mark the app as resizable, or enable the developer option labeled Force Activities to be resizable if available. After that, install a reliable split-screen launcher or use the recent app split action to open the app in multi-window. While testing, try Portrait and Landscape and Switch Companion apps to confirm the layout adapts. This step shows whether the override works or if deeper changes are required. Finish by rebooting and clearing the app cache so Android loads the new window settings cleanly. Then open the app in split screen to confirm. If the app still refuses, install an alternate split screen utility or try a cloned version of the app that allows resizing. Make sure the app isn't locked to a fixed orientation or using immersive flags that block multi-window. If none of this works, contact the developer or test a newer app build. Often the underlying compatibility bug must be fixed upstream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.